Yo, what is up, people? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you everyone for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Go subscribe. Corner, please go subscribe. And for those of you who have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Keep watching. I'm gonna be taking this channel onto the road soon. You know, I'm just waiting for the weather to get better. It's really bad weather right now in London City. You know, and for those of you who are in England who know what the weather's like, you know what the weather's like. But I will be taking it on the road, you know, checking out new places and seeing what they're saying, you know, just so we can keep the content, you know, keep the content exciting. So it's not the same old thing every other day. Now, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be doing Jamie Oliver's classic spaghetti carbonara. Most of you out there you make carbonara with cream. I used to make with cream, so that's the point I'm trying to make. We're gonna be doing this one without cream. I know everyone wants to see how it's going down. I want to do it because I know all of us out there, we usually cook our carbonaras with cream. But this one is without cream. Please don't use cream. Let's go, let's get it. So as you can see, you've seen the ingredients. What we have there, we have the cheese, we have the bacon lozenges, the spaghetti, you have the black pepper, salt, and the free-range eggs. So those are the ingredients right there. Here we have boiling water, and I got my pan ready for the bacon lardons. We're gonna go with bacon lardons. We're gonna go with the rest. I'm gonna show you how we do it. Let's go step by step. Let's get it. 2 eggs, 1 yolk. Alright? So there's a yolk going in. Cheese in. Now we're gonna put lots of black pepper. Now we whisk. Bacon lardons. Let's go with that. If the reason I'm laughing is actually you need guanciale. Guanciale, the Italians out there, they know this is a Roman dish. Carbonara is actually from Rome. It's a Roman dish. The Romans love this dish. You're supposed to use guanciale, but me, I'm using smoked bacon lardons. We're gonna go in with some good olive oil right there. Obviously, we know the Italians love olive oil. I'm gonna go with there you go, that's how you open pasta. Boiling water, twist it like that, and it spreads. Pasta is gonna go straight from there, straight into there. It's al dente, as they call it. And take a clove of garlic. I've just crushed it a little bit. Just put it in like that. That's it. We'll take it out later. So there's your garlic. That's optional, by the way. Home cooking at its best. The smell. Then you can take that garlic out after it's done the job. Take out the garlic from here. Now we add in the spaghetti is gonna go in. Okay. Alright, now guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it up. I've turned off the heat completely, there's no heat. Okay? Now remember, the egg, if we don't let that heat calm down, it's gonna turn into scrambled egg. So I've got obviously loads of black pepper and the salt's coming from the lardons. Right, let's go in. There it goes, that's the sauce. Remember guys, no cream. A little bit of with my ladle. Take a little bit of water, take a little bit of that. Enough. Nice and saucy. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you everyone for subscribing. Thank you everyone for liking and all of that. Please like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend, share it with your friends. Please share it with your friends, alright? So here we go, spaghetti carbonara. Thumbnail. There we go. Alright, let's go guys, taste test, let's go. Spaghetti carbonara. Jamie Oliver, classic recipe, let's go. That bacon. Make sure you use smoked bacon. Yes, tastes good. Oh my lord. Steam guys makes you lose focus. The steam from the food makes my camera lose focus. So cheers guys, don't drink and drive, don't drink if you're underage. Classic carbonara, it's worked. It's definitely worked. It's definitely worked. A little bit more parmesan. Just do. Yep, that's nice. Try a little dose of hot sauce. Good stuff. Good, you need to try this one out. Good, you need to try this one out. This one good. When you hear the silence and I'm just eating, this one's good. This one's good. Isn't it? Everyone's on the set having a taste. Everyone's on the set having a taste, so I'm looking around, checking everyone's room. Everyone's having a taste, so. The original carbonara, classic carbonara. Yeah? Is it better than cream in it? Much better, yeah? Yeah. Better than cream. I think you guys try it out without no cream. Yeah, cream is too heavy. And I think you just lose the flavor of the pasta and the bacon. I think with this you really get the flavors of everything, layers of flavors. Like you get that little surprise of the little bite of the bacon, and you get the pasta, and then you get the sauce. Like you get everything. Thank you, Jamie Oliver. Man, I haven't even been able to talk on this video. Out of all the dishes I've done, I get got by spaghetti carbonara. Spaghetti carbonara is a dish that shut me up. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please subscribe more. Like I said, I'm going to be taking this channel onto the road, doing restaurant reviews and all of that. And then we're going straight onto the road, which should be in a couple of weeks. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, share with someone, because we're gonna go onto the road. We're gonna bring more exciting content to you. I'm doing this for you lot. Guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching this special Jamie Oliver's classic carbonara. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you for subscribing. One love. Peace.